I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You all ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, I am back. What a frickin' weekend. Anyway, this is gonna be really short. This is for my friends overseas, not in America, other places like UK and all these other places. Anyway, a good friend of mine, Matthew Baka, or Matt over in the UK, you guys see him commenting on my stuff. We talk quite a bit. We talked all day. The guy saved my ass this weekend, you know, being stuck at home with 4 women. Anyway, he asked me, he's like, you know, you're so pro FarVew, and FarVew is so great, whatever else. And we're talking about the antennas here, in case you guys don't know. And he goes, is there any distributor out in England or UK or Europe or Bosnia, wherever the fuck you are, where I can get these things? So I said, you know what? I'm going to contact FarVew for you and see what they say. I don't know. You know, I don't live there. So I contacted David at FarVew, and amazingly to me, and Dave, I hope you're watching this, they subscribe to my channel and they know who I am. And they probably should know who I am. I think I paid the mortgage on their frickin' building because I order so many antennas from them. But and David said he's going to send me all these really cool antennas to review. That's a joke. But Dave, if you want to, bam, I would love to. Anyhow, but that's not the point. I believe in FarVew. I am not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by FarVew. I buy everything. Everything you guys see on this channel, I buy. Period. End of story. None of it's free. But FarVew, I think, is a great company. They have great customer response. I emailed him that question, and bam, like 3 minutes later, he responded. Great cat. They seem like they have a sense of humor, good people, I like them. So, and I told him, I said, if there's anything I can do to help your company along, I would love to do that. And this may or may not help them, but it's going to help you guys overseas. I'm going to pop up this email right here, and you can go back and pause it and read it if you want. But basically it says, hey JJ, we know you, this, that, and whatever, and if your folks over wherever they're at want to order from us up to a certain amount, and I don't have the email in front of me, we will give them a shipping pass and we will ship the stuff out. And I think that's really cool because realistically, most of us have more than one quad. Let's say you have 3 quads and you have a set of goggles with diversity. There's, you know, 5 antennas right there. Bam. It probably pays for the 50 or 60 bucks, whatever they said in this email that you guys just saw. So, you know, the 3-turn helical antenna, I absolutely freaking love. I don't even use the patch anymore, honestly. Their triple feed patch, absolutely awesome. It's better than any patch I've used, and I've used most of the good ones. And of course, the famous FarVew Pagoda, which I probably wouldn't fly if I didn't have this antenna. Now, here's a couple of the reasons why I love this company. They will send you a kit. This was no, this was not a kit. This was a kit, and these are kits. I have these. I'm not going to show you all my birds. Most of you guys are my friends. You've seen all my crap. I have these on everything from goggles to my spare goggles to my... I actually have 4 or 5 sets of these in my toolbox as spares, and I'm working on a couple projects to modifying this actually even a little bit more. And this was a kit. So they'll sell you the kit. They'll sell you a pre-built if you don't want to piss around with soldering them. And this week, guys, I am doing a build video on this. If you want to buy the kit, it's a little bit cheaper. I ordered one for me and Blackhawk, and he'll probably come over. Maybe he won't come over, I don't know. But I'm going to do a quick build video on this. It's super simple to make. I mean, any monkey can make this thing. It's awesome. But the reason I love this company so much, one, they're in the United States, bam, which is, you know, I'm all about that. Number 2, it's open source. They literally take their files and put them on their website. It's like, you know what? If you guys want to go to a PDB board or a PDB distributor in a wave soldering place or whatever, that'll design, you know, that'll cut you... not PDB, PCB, sorry, it's been a long day. But anyway, you guys can make these, your total cells for free. They're open source like Betaflight or, you know, all these other guys. So I think that's phenomenal. And I totally believe in supporting this company because I think they make a great product. They're cool, they're in America, and they're cheap. I buy these things for $6. I mean, really, I went up 4,000 feet with EWA the other day with nothing but this. I mean, really? That's just, well, that and this, you know. just phenomenal. So I hope, you guys that watch me in the UK or wherever you're at, and you want to get into FarVew, because I truly believe the FarVew products are better than making them yourself, in the sense of going to a factory to have your boards made. I know for a fact that the other pagodas out on the market, at least a couple of them, do not even compare to these, because Blackhawk has bought them and they suck. These are great. And they're a great product. They're not gouging you. They're cheap. Bam. This is my own plug for them. They did not ask me to do this whatsoever. When you go to order, maybe stick a note in there. Say, hey, I got this idea from JJ RotoGeek, and he said you guys would give me free shipping if it was over that amount that was in the email. And they'll be like, dude, bam, I get 0 kickbacks from this. Maybe they'll send me a free antenna someday. But other than that, I just believe in supporting the local companies. I buy Chinese clones all the time, not in antennas, but like motors and stuff like that. I think the world goes round, and you have to support everybody. I mean, the better China does, the better we do. The better Japan does, the better we do. I'm in an international industry for my career. Trust me when I say spread the wealth, but charity starts at home. So that's why I'm doing this. They did not ask me to do this. They're very great people over there, and you guys over the pond there. Maybe you know some friends that want to get in on them. It's like each one of you wants to order 4 of them. Boom, pool up, and you'll get the free shipping. I mean, you can't beat that with a stick. And I also know for a fact that my brother Nikola over in Serbia, and this is a secondary plug, for RMRC, which is Ready Made RC. They're in Ohio. They make the Hellbenders. You guys have seen me do a lot of videos. Oh, look, a FarVew, where I've slammed this chassis. They shipped over to Nikola like really quick and really cheap. And that's another American company that's very stellar. And I support them fully. They probably don't know who the fuck I am. And that's fine. I don't care if you know who I am or not. I think they're great companies and good products. And that's what it boils down to. So, if you guys want to order FarVew from overseas, tell them JJ RotoGeek sent you and they'll help you out. Cheers. Stay cool. Keep shining side up. Bang. Talk to you in a bit.